Passion Vista viewers, I am Dr. Arvind Patel, founder director of Wellgrow India Limited. It's glad to find a place among the most admired global Indian, selected from across the globe. I would like to dedicate to proud moment to my customers, vendors, investors, office staff, family and friends who supported me in the ups and downs of my life. I am thankful to Passion Vista and its editorial team for providing me with this grand opportunity. It would not be out of place to say that the humble upbringing due to early loss of job, my father exposed me to the biggest challenge of my life of supporting the family while completing my educations. My responsibility toughened me as well as changed me and my attitude helping get mature in my early age. I am a global Indian not only because I produce world class engineering metal finishing machinery and export worldwide, but also because I feel proud for being an Indian. I follow the attitude of being consistent and persistent, creating and enhancing a good brand and promoting through word of mouth is the best tool to name and fame. When I visit foreign country, I always behave like I am the ambassador of my country and I represent India in foreign land. It is very important how I behave in public because it's reflect the behavior of another Indians. I would urge all Indians to please keep a check your action in public while you are in foreign land. One must feel proud about himself and try to deliver the best because you are representing your India and you are ambassador of India. My message to the youth of the country is you must feel proud that you are born in the digital age where immense information on fingertips. Spend some time for knowledge gain, collect the information and increase your intelligence. Apply some method and technique and change your habits. Live life like a king. Only good habit can make someone a great man. Reading is the best tool to make a good habit. So read good book, stay with good friends, apply peer groups during the selection of the friends. I would like to say about the peers means who have the purpose of life, enthusiastic, energetic, accountable and reasonable. That kind of the friend will always help to grow you big. My role model is to the young generation, my generation and my elder generation. Young generation, they inspire me to be energetic and action oriented, passionate about creative ideas. My generation work with tough tasks, quick decision maker and think twice before any action and implementation of faster output. And regarding my elder generation, I lot learn from them. They have taught me from their experience. I would once again like to say thanks to Passion Vista for motivating entrepreneurs who are passionate about changing the world. Passion Vista has inspired so many dreamers to do best in life and to realize their dream into reality. Please keep up your good efforts, find the hidden hero from the community and publish them to inspire the rest of the world. Once again, thank you, Patient Vista and community.